Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to turn off notifications on X. So you can turn off notifications in the X application inside, or you can mute specific content. So let me show you with the first method. Let's go to X and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left. Now you have to scroll down to settings and privacy. And now let's go to notifications section and let's go to preferences. So here you will see different notification types. So those are push notifications, SMS notifications, and email notifications. So let's go, for example, to push notifications, and I can adjust them, those push notifications specifically for me. So decide which specifically you want to receive or not, and the same you will repeat with SMS notifications and email notifications. And now let me show you how to mute specific content. This will be an option for you if you still want some notifications on your X application, but you want to stop specific annoying ones. So let's go back and please open filters section and go to muted notifications section. So also here you can select which notifications you want to mute. So you can mute notifications from people that you don't follow, who do not follow you, with a new account. So read all those and decide which exactly notifications you want to mute on X. So that's basically how we can turn off notifications on X. I told you about two methods how we can do that. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.